I'm gonna be doing unboxing today, and today's brand is going to be Banyan Botanicals. I just got a package from them, so just gonna do unboxing and showing you all what I already have from them in my stash. So this is a catalog that was sent to me, and this is my third time buying from the company, so I'm assuming it's on your third order that you receive a catalog. And this is how it came. I actually don't have a problem with the catalog looking like this because I don't like big boxes, because customs is going to charge me a lot for the size of the box. I actually don't mind it, and just giving you guys a run-through of how it looks. Not showing you everything, but still, I don't want to spoil it for you all, but this is an idea of how it looks. All right, so I'll just take some time to go over this and see what I like. And actually I like catalogs because at least I don't have to be on the computer screen searching for hours and hours about a company's products. So that's about it. I got Bhringaraj powder, and it supports healthy hair growth, which is actually the focus of this channel, by the way, but I also want to incorporate topics regarding health and wellness. So this powder also promotes natural hair color and luster, promotes healthy skin, bones, teeth, sight, hearing, and memory. And actually, when I was researching this specific herb, I found out that the bones are related to, like, if you're having issues with your hair, more than likely it's your bones or probably your iron. So I would say that actually embarking on this Ayurvedic journey, I found out a lot about health and biology and just the Ayurvedic medicine and practices. And just giving you guys a little view. Not sure you guys can see that because I can't see it well, but yeah, this is how the packaging looks. And I got two of these, 2 pounds, and I already had a pound from a previous order. So this is the other pound, and I also got Amla, and Amla works great with Bhringaraj as well. So you can just do a very simple hair mask with it. Also, a lot of people don't know that some of these Ayurvedic herbs, you can consume them internally, if not some, most or all. But this is the Amalaki powder, Amla, and this is what the back says. Now this Amla powder is quite hard. The other package was like this as well, and it removes excess peter from the system. And the main reason why I got these herbs as well was because I started feeling a lot of heat in my body. And upon researching, I mean, even though you're following a certain lifestyle or you're vegan, no matter what kind of lifestyle you're following, you also have to listen to your body. And my body was heating up a lot. And the transition from working in the office in air conditioning to being home all day with computer screens and what have you, it's also a change for your body, what your body is accustomed to on a daily basis. And it seems as if my body got too accustomed to the air conditioning, so it was like it was trying to regulate itself, but I was getting overheated. So this removes the heat. Well, I won't say all of the heat, but it helps to regulate the heat in your body. All right, and that's what Peter is. I also did the constitution test on Banyan Botanicals, and I am a Kappa Peter constitution, so I have to, and the aggravation is in Peter, so I have to watch how I eat. I have to eat a lot of cooling. I have to consume a lot of cooling vegetables, along with like drinking these herbs. I like to drink the amla because I mean I'm used to it already. We have the star gooseberry. This is the Indian gooseberry. So we have the star gooseberry here in the Caribbean, and this is the Indian gooseberry. All right, that's it. And the last thing that I got was the sesame oil. Sesame oil is good for your hair. It's good for your complete body health. So sesame seed oil, certified organic, and it's organic, unrefined sesame oil. All of the information is going to be down in the description box, where you can access the website, and also how you can take the quiz to find out your constitution. This is sesame seed oil, but I tend to like sesame seed oil, especially for cooking. It goes great for savory dishes, so I would recommend it to everybody, especially like naturals who are trying to go out there here. It's the oil itself, I'm not sure of the nutritional facts, but I know the sesame seeds are packed with calcium, specifically black sesame seeds, and I'm going to show you guys that in a future video, so stay tuned for that as well. But this is a great oil to cook with, and it's also great like if you want to heat up your herbs, because necessarily you can use coconut oil, but you're gonna have to, like if you're gonna be using coconut oil to infuse your herbs, you're gonna have to keep it on a low flame, because heating coconut oil oxidizes it, you know. You have to be very careful, but sesame seed oil can take that heat. It can. So, and that's based on my experience and what I found out in my research. So there you have it. That's what I got for my wellness, health, hair growth journey, as anything. Because Bhringaraj can also be, you could also use your Bhringaraj for your teeth, but I haven't done much research on Bhringaraj for your teeth so far, but I know it's good for your liver and it's good for your bones. And in a previous order, I got the organic Bhringaraj oil. This also has sesame seed oil in it, and it's certified organic. So Bhringaraj is a soothing and calming, and its cool in nature is particularly good for Peter. So hence why I have a lot of it, and I'm not trying to do too much, because in regards to getting Ayurvedic herbs specifically for my hair, because I want to make sure that I release this heat from my head, you know, because it can be very irritable dealing with excess heat in your body, excess heat in your head. As for right now, at the time of recording this video, I don't feel hot at all. All of my windows are closed. Normally I will be burning up. Can't take it. I have to keep on the fan. Since I started using these herbs, specifically like paste on my head, I haven't been feeling that feeling. Okay, but you also have to be careful if you're like somebody who has like sinusitis and all of those kind of other respiratory problems, because of its cooling nature. It can have a somewhat of a side effect, but you have to, with anything, you have to use them in moderation. Anything that you use, you have to use it in moderation. So this is Bhringaraj oil. It has a slightly stronger scent than the, let me show you guys. I also got the Brahmi oil in a smaller bottle. It's a sesame oil base as well, and it's organic, calm, clear, aware. Yes, it helps with memory. Let me see if we can get so you guys can see. Experience luxurious benefits of enhancing a head massage with Brahmi oil. Made with Gotokola and Bacopa, both used for centuries in Ayurveda. So one thing that people don't know is that Brahmi is also these two herbs. They're referred to as either Gotokola or Bacopa. It's two different plants, but they're called Brahmi. So this is why, another reason why it's important for you to research the herbs that you use. Don't just go around using anything, and then from there you get like a second opinion from probably like a naturopath or a Ayurvedic practitioner regarding these herbs. But you have to be careful, all right, because sometimes these herbs have side effects based on like whatever condition you may have. So moving on, I'm gonna just show you like other stuff, like the ones that I do consume. I like fennel. Before finding out that this is also a cooling herb, I always used to be using fennel. This says at the back. It's great for like if I'm making dishes late at night, after 7:30, I like to add this so that my stomach doesn't feel as jacked up. It's a great powder. And also, like for persons who are watching this and follow the Dr. Sebi lifestyle, this is a great herb to get to do any seasoning or anything like that. You season your mushrooms, you put some in a savory dish for like chickpeas and so forth. This is a great herb to have, and especially for people who like to eat late at night, this is a great herb. I already showed that. Let's see. Also Triphala. I'm still a little iffy about Triphala. It's a combination of 3 herbs including Amalaki, but it's great. Let me tell you guys, this, if you want to like, if you feel like you have like constipation or you start seeing like pimples on your skin, it's like a sign to show like you need to detox your body. And it's also a sign that your digestion is probably out of whack. So this will help you eliminate, and you will eliminate regularly, and you will eliminate in the morning. So it's not a crazy elimination where like, oh my gosh, I have to go. No, it's like, okay, it's time for you to go. A mature way of saying you have to go. Like when you feel it, you go. It's great. It's great for digestion, and I've only used it internally less than 5 times. The reason why it looks like I used it a ton is because I used it initially as a hair pack, but I don't really like it as a hair pack. I'm trying to figure out if it was the fenugreek or this that had the grainy texture in my hair pack, so I'll have to try it once more and see. Okay, let's see. And we also have the bitter melon. This is great for people who have problems with their sugar levels, possibly diabetics, but you actually have to mix this up very well because it's also kind of grainy, in my opinion. And this is, you see, it's good for normal blood glucose metabolism, supports a healthy heart, and it balances your blood. And it balances your blood sugar levels already within the normal range. So just giving you guys a look at what it says. I blend this with like maybe watercress and other cooling herbs, so I can get the effects on regulating the pitta in my system. It stimulates digestive fires without aggravating pitta or vata, and which is what I need. So that's bitter melon. And I also got some oral care products. This is a tooth powder with charcoal and mizrak. So the ingredients, and these are the instructions. I didn't get the daily swish because I already have coconut oil, and I also can use sesame seed oil because that's what they used historically in Ayurveda to oil pull. And then I got the tongue cleaner, stainless steel, and it says it reduces the toxins and bacteria on the tongue that cause bad breath, enhances sense of taste, improve digestion. And you use it every morning. I only ever used it once. It kind of gets like getting used to getting it into your daily routine, but I already plan on incorporating it some more. So there you have it, guys. It was a quick overview of what I have so far from Banyan Botanicals. I plan on getting the daily swish, possibly the skincare products, and maybe the healthy hair tablets. I'm not sure yet, but this is what I have. All right. And oh, I also want to get neem, maybe the hibiscus powder, maybe, because I already have hibiscus in my mother's garden, and maybe ashwagandha. But if I get ashwagandha, you're gonna be in like a small, in one of those small spice jars. And that's it. Here you go. This is my unboxing and showing you guys my Banyan Botanical stash. It's a great company. They are very responsive. I say check it out. I highly recommend the company, because I mean, these are multi-use products. You can't go wrong, especially with the pandemics that's going on. You want to make sure your lymphatic system, your endocrine system, and your immune system is in order. All right, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.